share with you the updates we've made on our fixer-upper home since we moved in here 3 months ago. Hello, welcome back. I hope you're having an amazing day. If you're new here, my name is Shannon. Click subscribe for more simple living inspiration. So many of you have asked what updates we've made so far, and in my opinion, we've made quite a lot, but this is going to be a slow process since this home is from the 1950s and barely anything has been updated since then. This is the photo I'm trying to replicate, do something similar with some black pots and white stone. Okay, I just put down this weed cloth. Here I painted this concrete. It was multicolor chipping before, so just did some painting touch-up and some touch-ups around the front door. I repainted all of the white trim, and eventually we're gonna repaint our whole house, but right now this really made a huge difference. Let's head inside. So we're here in the kitchen, and you can see I've started to paint the kitchen white. It is a wood that has been painted many times throughout the years, but I'm slowly sanding it down and painting it a bright white to freshen it up in here. I'm going to be taking my time on this project because we are using the kitchen as we go, so I'm doing one section at a time. I've painted this side, I haven't painted this side so far, but I can already tell it's going to be a humongous difference in here. Here is the unpainted side, here is the painted side, and up here I took these doors off and I just have the 2 bins. This cupboard had a false bath, we just knocked that out. I'm gonna paint everything in there white, and then we're gonna add these shelves to go all the way back. Here is our dining room, and we added this little buffet that I got secondhand on Facebook Marketplace, and I redid this. You can see a tutorial on my vlogging channel on how to redo this buffet. We added furniture to this living room and made it cozy with some pillows, blankets, and decor. You can see the full video on my vlogging channel. From the dining room, you can walk into this living room. This is more of a casual living space for the kids to jump on the couch. We've hung some art back there, you can see. We still haven't hung art on this side. I'm not sure what we're gonna do. We added these blinds in here, and we hung our TV back here. As you can see, we still have to patch the wall, and there's quite a few things that need to be done still. Behind the camera is our living room. The dining room is that way. Down this hall is the boys' room and our guest bathroom. So I will show you what that is looking like right now. guest room and I will show you what that's looking like right now. Before and after guest room decor video below so you can see how we transformed this room. As we continue through this guest room, down at the end is our bedroom. We've added this little runner here again to help absorb noise and make it a little bit more cozy in here. Through this hall we have some really deep storage cupboards and this landing, which I'm not a huge fan of. I have no idea where I want to put these pictures right now, so I just stuck all of them right here. I might actually declutter some of these frames because we have way too many. We don't really have a lot of areas to put pictures right now. Here is the largest bathroom. Eventually, our plan is to redo our larger bathroom and probably take either this whole cupboard or half of it to enlarge the bathroom, because that would be our master bathroom and it's quite small right now. We do have that cordoned off because my husband started the construction on it and then realized it was just too much for us right now, and we have 2 other bathrooms, so we just shut that door, taped it off, and for now we are waiting on that. In the hall we added a new light. These are really cool because they can be programmed to come on when they detect motion. Now we're in our bedroom. Again, since we've only been here 3 months, we don't have that much decor up. I'll show you what this room looked like when we first moved in here, so it's a lot better than it was. Here is our closet. We're now sharing a closet. There's plenty of space though. We've added this wool rug that one of our friends gave us and it really helps absorb the noise. I put up my curtains from IKEA, which is great because that is the front, so the street is right there. Over here I just have my lamp, side table, some plants. And our bed. So this is the front door behind me and this is the little bathroom that my husband just did. I'll show you where we started from. Demoing at 8:30 at night on a Friday, and we've already encountered our first problem. We turned the water off to the toilet and the toilet bowl is still full even though we've flushed it several times. We've stuck the hose in the toilet and Grant started sucking. So we've used the hose to siphon the toilet and Grant actually sucked the end.
Sucked the end.
Sucked the end of the hose to get the toilet water going.
It actually tastes better than you'd imagine. It's worth it.
Now we can throw this hose away. No, get out of here with your toilet mouth. Last night, Grant was able to rip all the floor up. This is a very tiny bathroom, but we completely redid everything in here. We added hooks on the back of the door and new flooring. We put in this new vanity and hung this mirror. Also put in a new light fixture. This bathroom took quite a while to complete, even though it's small, because there was a lot that had to be done, but it just looks so much better now. Out here we added our beach signs that I've made. We hung some twinkle lights. We hung my husband's planners he's made. We added some plants and these chairs, but we have a lot more to do out here. We trimmed our tree and added our plants from our last place out here. and we are adjusting to taking care of a yard. If you want to see how we decorated for fall, you can click right here to see our fall decor video over on my vlogging channel, Simply Shannon. Thank you so much for joining me today, and make sure you hit subscribe to join our Simple Living channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.